Force is the push or pull exerted on an object to make it move or accelerate. Newton's second law of motion describes how force is related to mass and acceleration. And this relationship is used to calculate force. In general, the greater the mass of the object, the greater the force needed to move that object. Step 1. Multiply mass times acceleration. The force or F required to move an object of mass or m with an acceleration or a is given by the formula F equals m times a. So, force equals mass multiplied by acceleration. Step 2. Convert figures to their SI values. The International System of Units, SI, unit of mass is the kilogram. And the SI unit of acceleration is m per s squared or meters per second squared. So when mass and acceleration are expressed in their SI units, we get the force in its SI units, which is N or newtons. Step 3. Keep in mind that weight and mass mean different things in physics. If the weight of an object is given in N or newtons, then divide it by 9.8 to get the equivalent mass. For example, 10 Newton weight is equivalent to 10 divided by 9.8 equals 1.02 kilograms. Let's go to example question. Find the force that is required to accelerate a 1000 kilograms car at 5 m per s squared. Check to make sure all your values are in the correct SI unit. Multiply your acceleration value, 1000 kilograms, by 5 m per s squared to calculate your value. The answer is 5000 Newton. Okay, now we try solve other question. Find the magnitude of force acting upon a cart weighing 100 Newton and accelerating at the rate of 2.5 m per s squared. Remember, 10 Newton is equal to 9.8 kilograms. So, convert newtons to kg by dividing by 9.8 kilograms. Your new kilogram value should be 10.2 kilograms for the mass. Multiply your new mass value, which is 10.2 kilograms, times the acceleration value 2.5 m per s squared. Please leave comment and like this video. See you in next tutorial.